Hello everyone, just a quick video to show you today the Shock Sox installation on my BMW R1250GS Adventure. It's a quick installation, shouldn't take more than 30 seconds, but I thought still show you. I've installed one of the socks already on the front shock of the motorcycle. The second one, I'll show it to you quickly. Let's look at the first one that I've installed so you get an idea, and then we'll install the second one. It takes about 10 seconds to install or remove them, and it's a very quick installation. So here's the one that I've already installed. The second one I'll be installing it here, but the first one that I've installed looks like this. It has 3 Velcros that stick on top of the other, but that's how it is. Let's go ahead and install this one, which takes about 10 seconds. So this is how it comes in the pack with 3 Velcros here. Different colors available as well. I ordered the black. So you start with the middle Velcro here, which you stick on the middle, the main shock and the seal. That's where you stick the middle one, and then you work your way around. So I've wrapped this here like this. The middle Velcro is here, sticking that on. I'll stick now the lower one, which is done. So the two are done, just the top one is left, which is this one here. I'll wrap it around and it's all done. So pretty quick, takes about, like I said, 10 seconds. I'll show you a closer look of this as well. Here you go. So that's on both sides. That's how it looks. Definitely worth having it on your motorcycle if you do a lot of off-roading, protects your seals from leaking. And definitely a great add-on. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more installations. Till next time, ride safe, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.